Stickers that actually look pro don't come from just any printer. They come from the right mix of ink system, color accuracy, media handling, and durability. And this countdown reveals which models nail that balance for sticker makers at home or in small studios. From budget-friendly tanks to wide-format photo beasts, expect real-world pros and cons, what each printer does best, and which one to pick for matte vinyl, glossy laminates, clear media, or die-cut sheets. 7. Epson EcoTank ET 2800. The EcoTank ET 2800 is the gateway into sticker printing for beginners who want ultra-low ink costs without paying for pro features up front, and it delivers clean, saturated color for matte and glossy printable vinyl if the artwork is optimized and print settings are dialed in. The cartridge-free tank system is the star. Refillable bottles stretch for thousands of pages, which keeps per-sheet costs minimal once the initial setup is done, a lifesaver when test printing color variations or doing multi-SKU sheets. In practice, it does well with standard vinyl sheets and simple kiss-cut workflows, while the flatbed scanner is enough for digitizing hand-drawn art before vector cleanup. Colors are vibrant for general graphics, and basic profiles yield respectable accuracy on common sticker media for Etsy-style shops or school branding packs. However, this is still an entry machine. No automatic duplex, slower color speeds, and fewer convenience features mean more patience when iterating designs, and users aiming for ultra-fine gradients may notice the limits of its print engine compared to higher models in this list. The biggest caveat is workflow friction if switching media types frequently. It's ideal when sticking to a consistent vinyl and laminate recipe, less ideal for creators toggling between heavy cardstock, labels, and specialty sheets daily. Also, while the resolution spec is competitive in its class, the more advanced precision core setups in higher-tier models produce smoother tonal transitions and tighter text edges on clear and holographic media. Number 6. Canon PIXMA TR8620A. Canon's PIXMA TR8620A is a flexible home AIO that can double as a sticker printer thanks to its 5-ink system with a pigment black for text and dye colors for photos, giving poppy hues on glossy vinyl and great borderless small formats like 4x6 test tiles. The dual paper feeds are practical. Keep plain paper in the cassette for admin work, then load printable vinyl in the rear tray for accurate, straight-through feeding with less curl on thicker sheets. The 4.3-inch touchscreen and strong wireless stack make it easy to run prints from creative apps, while the ADF and duplex keep it useful for the rest of a home office workflow. On photographic gradients, Canon's dye colors shine. Reds and blues look punchy on glossy laminates, and the borderless options help test bleed and cut margins quickly. For a mixed-use household or a beginner side hustle, it's a capable all-rounder that won't intimidate the setup process. Still, 2 drawbacks matter for sticker specialists. Dye-based color inks can be less water-resistant without lamination compared to pigment systems, and color longevity under UV can trail behind pro photo or pigment-heavy models unless properly protected. Also, the page yield economics won't match EcoTank-style refillable systems if producing volume. Frequent color refills add up for big sticker batches. Consider the TR8620A if everyday printing is as important as sticker work and laminating is part of the standard finishing process. Number 5. Epson 4800. The ET4800 introduces a more complete small studio toolset over the 2800 with ADF, fax, and broader connectivity, while keeping EcoTank's low-cost refillable ink approach that's perfect for iterating sticker runs and color testing without fearing ink waste. With Epson 522 series bottles rated in the thousands of pages, color experimentation is affordable, which helps when dialing in skin tones, pastels, and brand-critical hues on different vinyl finishes. Its micro-piezo print technology produces crisp graphics on matte and glossy media. Paired with a consistent printable vinyl and cold laminate workflow, results look retail-grade at desk scale. Wireless printing and app support make it simple to kick jobs from tablets or phones during design sessions, and the compact chassis fits neatly on a craft bench without feeling underpowered for hobby-to-starter business volumes. For creators wanting a step-up AIO that still saves on ink, this model strikes a smart balance. In testing, the ET4800 excels at everyday sticker graphics and line art, though like many 4-color systems, ultra-smooth photographic gradients and deep dark tone transitions on clear media are better on higher-end photo engines later in this list. The included yields and optional extended warranty coverage in some regions give confidence for sustained use, and the overall ecosystem is friendly for first-time EcoTank owners. 4. Epson EcoTank ET3850. Moving into the business-capable tier, the ET3850 adds a Precision Core 1S printhead, faster ISO speeds, a 250-sheet tray, auto-duplex, and Ethernet, all of which help when ramping up sticker output and managing multi-sheet production days. The pigment black ink produces razor-sharp text for packaging inserts and UPCs, while color performance remains strong for vector graphics and bold sticker sets on quality printable vinyl. In practice, the boosted throughput is noticeable. It keeps up with batching color variants and printing cut contour sheets without feeling like the print queue is the bottleneck. Connectivity is mature, including voice assistance and smart panel control, which streamlines a modern craft or micro studio setup that runs multiple devices. It's a robust, daily driver for sticker creators who also print box labels, instruction cards, and thank you slips, maintaining low running costs via EcoFit bottles. Color smoothness is improved over entry models for midtones and posterized gradients, though for gallery photo-grade sticker art, dedicated photo engines with expanded color sets still have the edge. Nonetheless, for most brand graphics and illustration-led stickers, the ET3850 looks clean, saturated, and consistent. For mixed office and sticker duty, it's the sweet spot before stepping into specialized photo printers. 3. Brother MFC J6955DW. Brother's MFC J6955DW stands out for wide format versatility up to 11x17, heavy paper handling, and enterprise-leaning features like triple-layer security and NFC, an unusual but powerful combo for sticker shops that also produce larger posters, menus, or packaging flats. The Inkvestment Tank approach yields long run times with minimal interruptions, and the fast engine speeds help clear design iteration backlogs when prepping multiple client packs. In hands-on use, its feed reliability with heavier stocks and broad media support is a perk for specialty sticker sheets, die-cut carrier cards, or thicker matte papers used for rigid labels. Connectivity is comprehensive, including dual-band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet, and a solid mobile app, making it easy to integrate across a multi-device workflow in a studio or small office. The 3.5-inch touchscreen and menu depth feel genuinely business class, which is refreshing at this size and price tier. Color quality is vibrant and precise enough for branded sticker sets and product labels, and the 11x17 scan glass opens up efficient digitization of hand-drawn sheets for vectorization and print-and-cut workflows at scale. While Brother's color science differs from Epson and Canon, once profiled to a preferred vinyl and laminate combo, results are repeatable and sharp, especially for line-heavy designs. 2. Canon PIXMA PRO 200S. For creators selling premium art stickers with lush gradients and gallery-style color, the PIXMA Pro 200S is a stunner thanks to its 8-color dye-based system that expands gamut and delivers delicious saturation on glossy and luster finishes. Reds, blues, and skin tones glow with a richness that flat 4-color engines can't match, while gray and light gray channels improve monochrome smoothness, great for black and white sticker sets or moody character art. It supports A3+ with versatile feeds and an auto skew correction function, reducing misalignment on specialty media and minimizing wasted vinyl during borderless tests. The interface and 3-inch display make maintenance and ink checks straightforward, and Canon's print and layout software integrates neatly with photo workflows for soft proofing. For premium laminated stickers where ColourPop sells, this printer pays dividends in perceived quality and consistency. The trade-off is typical of dye-based photo printers. Use good laminates for water and UV protection if the stickers will hit bottles, laptops, or outdoor gear, and plan for higher ink costs than tank systems during heavy production runs. But for boutique shops selling higher-margin art stickers, the Pro 200S color signature is a differentiator customers notice on unboxing. 1. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. Topping the list, the ET8550 blends the best of both worlds. A 6-color photo-grade system with dedicated photo black and gray for superb tonal control, plus EcoTank refillables that dramatically lower ongoing ink costs for high-volume creators. Its maximum resolution and 1.5 picoliter droplet size yields silky gradients, crisp micro details, and clean text overlays on matte, glossy, clear, and specialty vinyls, while A3 Plus support and straight rear feed accept thicker craft media and long banners for panoramic sticker sheets and signage. In use, color neutrality is excellent thanks to the gray ink, reducing color casts in monochrome sets and giving skin tones extra realism, details that matter on premium sticker packs and character art. Borderless speed at small sizes is quick enough for iterative prototyping, and the connectivity suite, including SD-USB and a big touchscreen, makes standalone printing practical during production sprints. The heat-free micro-piezo platform keeps energy use down and consistency up, which is reassuring on long print days with back-to-back jobs. Economically, the 552 series bottle yields are strong, making the ET8550 the rare photo-quality printer that doesn't punish growth with ink costs, especially for shops standardizing on a couple of vinyl types and a proven laminate. For serious sticker businesses, or anyone who wants gallery-grade output without cartridge anxiety, this is the most balanced, future-proof choice in 2025. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.